Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the bell. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make this snowflake, glitter snowflake Christmas card in just 10 minutes. So let's get started. First you need to draw a snowflake using ruler and pencil on a piece of white paper. Then afterwards just trace the same design with the help of a Fevicol. Just make sure that you are drawing very thin lines with the Fevicol and being very cautious with it. This is the step that takes the longest amount of time. Then afterwards pour some glitter on top of it. I'm using golden color. You can use any color that you like. I think silver would look better, but I had golden itself. After that, just dust off the glitter like this. Then I have written Merry Christmas on the bottom half of the card using a silver pen. And this Christmas card is ready. It just looks really nice. It is quite affordable to make. It is a great craft for kids as well. So do try it on. If you try it on, mention it in your comments. Do like the video and subscribe to my channel because I am doing lots of videos around Christmas this season. Bye.